Hi, you're looking at a 1993 Hurco KM3-P vertical knee mill. It's equipped with an Ultimax control, dual CRT. It's a 3-axis machine. This machine has 5 inches of quill travel, 24 inches of X travel, and 14 inches of Y travel. This machine's in great shape. We'll go through the calibration process and also run a short program. So this is the machine in the calibration process. This machine is equipped with an Ericsson quick switch 200 spindle. Very handy. Now we'll go through running a short program. It's a graphics demonstration. This machine does have the 3D programming software installed. We'll go through running that program. As you can see, the machine's very quiet. That concludes the program. This machine's being offered for sale as a package deal with the Kurt 675 vise installed and all available quick switch 200 tooling. There's over 100 collets and over 40 tools. It's quite the package deal for the price. The asking price is $7,500. It's a great way for an existing shop to add an inexpensive machine, or for the hobby shop just starting out. This machine just had, in October, a complete preventive maintenance run through. All of the machine belts were replaced, gibs tightened up, and the machine recalibrated. It will position to 5/10 and hold it. It will interpolate within 1 thou and 3/10, which is very good for one of these machines.